In this video, I'm going to show you how to remix Reels on Instagram. Now, for us to get this done, let's just go ahead and basically open the Reels tab down here. And the first thing that we are going to do is look for a video where or which we want to remix. Now, go ahead and click this one right here, and there is the remix option. Now, take note, by the way, that not all of the videos that you can find here on Instagram are actually or that are remix enabled, meaning some of the owners have actually disabled this one. So in this case, it's possible I can go ahead and click that over there, and then you can go ahead and click the edit video here in order for you to add whatever element you want to. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and add, say for example, a text. I'm going to go ahead and try to write here sunset, just like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And yep, I'm going to click done, and then I'm going to click this one, and you can see that now I can go ahead and post this one as a new reel. So click next, share. All right, there you go. Now you can go ahead and click that over there in order for you to see this one, and you will see a notification saying that it's remixed with. And yep, that is how it's done, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.